Surah Al-Baqarah.
Verse 17. Their example is like one who kindled a fire. But when it lit up everything around him, Allah took away their light and left them in darkness so they could not see. Verse 18. Deaf, dumb, and blind, so they will not return to the right path. Verse 19. Or their example is like a rainstorm from the sky, within which is darkness, thunder, and lightning. They put their fingers in their ears against the thunderclaps in fear of death. But Allah is encompassing of the disbelievers. Verse 20. The lightning almost snatches away their sight. Whenever it lights the way, they walk in it. But when darkness comes, they stand still. If Allah had willed, He could have taken away their hearing and sight. For Allah is capable of all things. Verse 21. O mankind, worship your Lord, who created you and those before you, that you may become righteous. Verse 22. He made the earth a resting place for you and the sky a canopy, and sent down rain from the sky, bringing forth fruits for your sustenance. So do not set up rivals to Allah while you know the truth. Verse 23. And if you are in doubt about what we have sent down to our servant, then produce a chapter like it and call your witnesses besides Allah if you are truthful. Verse 24. But if you do not, and you will never be able to, then fear the fire whose fuel is men and stones, prepared for the disbelievers. Verse 25. And give glad tidings to those who believe and do righteous deeds. They will have gardens beneath which rivers flow. Every time they are provided with fruit, they will say, "This is what we were provided before," and they will be given something similar. And they will have pure spouses, and they will live therein forever. Verse 26. Indeed, Allah is not shy to present an example, even that of a mosquito or anything smaller. As for those who believe, they know it is the truth from their Lord. But those who disbelieve say, "What does Allah mean by this example?" By it, He misleads many and guides many, but He misleads none except the defiantly disobedient. Verse 27. Those who break the covenant of Allah after accepting it, sever what Allah has commanded to be joined, and spread corruption on the earth. It is they who are the losers. Verse 28. See, how can you disbelieve in Allah? You were lifeless, and He gave you life. Then He will cause you to die, then bring you back to life, and to Him you will return. Verse 29. It's He who created for you all that is on the earth, then turned to the heavens and made them 7 skies. And He is knowing of all things. Prophetic Hadith. There are 3 signs of a hypocrite. When he speaks, he lies. When he promises, he breaks it. When he is trusted, he betrays. Summary. Hypocrites are spiritually blind, fearful, confused, and lost in darkness. 2. Allah reminds all humans to worship Him alone, as He is the creator and sustainer. 3. The Quran is a miracle, unmatched and inimitable. 4. Believers will enter paradise. Disbelievers are warned of hell. 5. Allah's smallest examples hold deep wisdom for reflection, not mockery. Guidance points. 1. Be sincere in faith. Hypocrisy destroys the soul. 2. Reflect on nature. It's full of signs leading to Allah. Respect and follow the Quran. It's divine and irreplaceable. Avoid arrogance and denial. It leads to hell, not truth. Believe, act righteously, and uphold Allah's covenant. This leads to eternal reward.